In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to check your internet speed. Now, internet speed varies from place to place, and you really want to know so that you know when to do your work. So I'm going to first of all turn on my VPN and then check my speed, and then turn it off and then check my speed. Now you can see my VPN is on. I'm using Surfshark. So to check your internet speed, go to fast.com. And when you turn on fast.com, just watch it as it oscillates. It goes to 1.7, 10, 19, 31 megabytes, 45, 52, 69, 84, 81. You see it fluctuates and it's going to settle at a stable internet. So with my VPN, I'm getting internet speeds of 68 megabytes per second. Now I can just refresh this again to be sure. It's going to be probably slightly different, but I don't think the difference is going to be too much. And it loads again. You can see the movements. Mind you, this is with my VPN. So it finally settles around 65 megabytes, which is practically the same speed. Now, let me turn off my VPN. I've disconnected my VPN. Now, I want to try this. I'll just close this, and then I'll still go back to the same link, fast.com. Let's see how different it's going to be without the VPN. So, interestingly enough, with the VPN, I was getting 68 and 65 megabytes, but without the VPN, I'm being told that I get just 26 megabytes. So I'll reload this again, just to be sure. So when I reload, it goes to 54 megabytes per second. So I want to believe the discrepancy was just maybe internet instability. So it's not very different, 65 megabytes and 54 megabytes. Just to be sure, let's reload this again. This time around, it gives me 67 megabytes per second, which shows me that my VPN did not really affect my internet speed, because with the VPN, I was getting 65 and 67. Without the VPN, I'm getting 67 megabytes per second. So this is how you check your internet speed. Please subscribe to this channel for more tech tips like this.